brainstem. Okay. Next, olfactory bulbs. These are concerned with sense of smell. Look at him, as I said, he is smelling. The olfactory bulb is situated in the forebrain. Is it or not? Yes. And next, cerebrum. Seat of mental abilities, controls thinking, memory, reasoning, perception, emotions and speech. Interprets sensation and responds to cold, heat, pain and pressure. Okay friends, the cerebrum is the main function is thinking, memory, reasoning, perception. These all emotions comes under the cerebrum. Is it or not? The cerebrum is also known as the seat of mental abilities. And next, look at him. What is he doing? Yes, he is reading. And what is she doing? Yes, she is writing. Next, observe him. What is he doing? He is thinking briefly. And next, look at her. What is she doing? She is writing. These all the centers are situated in the cerebrum. Because of that the cerebrum is known as the largest part of the brain. And next, Diencephalon. The diencephalon, relay center for sensory impulses such as pain, temperature and light. Reflex center for muscular activities, center for water balance, blood pressure, body temperature, sleep and hunger. And it is the center for certain emotions such as anger. Okay friends, as I said, this diencephalon is the main function it is also known as the emotional center. It is mainly known as emotional center, and this diencephalon is relay center for sensory impulses such as pain, temperature and also light, and its main function is the water balance, blood pressure, body temperature, and this all comes under the diencephalon. Okay friends, now we learn about next one. See here. Oh, Tom and Jerry, what they are doing? They are fighting each other. Is it or not? Yes, this is the one of the emotion. And next, look at them. Wow. The love and affection towards the son. Is it or not? Yes, this is the one of the emotion. And look at them friends, our lovely Tom and Jerry, what they are doing? They are laughing heartfully. These all the centers are situated in the diencephalon. Because of that, it is known as the emotional center. And next, see the midbrain. Midbrain. It relays motor impulses from the cerebral cortex to the spinal cord and relays sensory impulses from the spinal cord to the thalamus, reflex for sight and hearing. Okay friends, what is the main function of the midbrain? Its main function is the vision and audition. As I said, it has two parts. They are crura cerebri and corpora quadrigemina. The superior colliculi main function is a vision and the inferior colliculi main function is a audition. Is it or not? Yes. And next we learn about the hindbrain. First of all, see here friends, hindbrain. Hindbrain has three parts. They are cerebellum, pons varelli and medulla oblongata. This is the cerebellum. Maintains posture, equilibrium and muscle tone. Coordinates voluntary movements initiated by the cerebrum. Okay, the cerebellum. The cerebellum main function is the balancing equilibrium. Is it or not? Yes, the cerebellum main function is the balancing equilibrium. Is it or not? Yes, one see this picture. What is it? This is the stable person. Is it or not? It is a horse. It is in stable position. Am I right? Yes. And next, look at him. How he is? He is in involuntary motion. Is it or not? Yes, because the alkalic material shows effect on the cerebellum so that he cannot be in a stable position. And next we learn about the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata contains center for cardiac, respiratory and vasomotor activities. Coordinate reflexes like swallowing, coughing, sneezing and vomitings. Okay friends, what is the main function of the medulla oblongata? It is a center for respiration, circulation, heartbeat. Is it or not? Yes, this is the center for these all things. And next, it coordinates the swallowing, coughing, sneezing, vomitings. Yes, this all comes under the medulla oblongata. This is the medulla oblongata. As I said, this is the medulla oblongata. This is the posterior part of the brain. Okay friends. See here, this is the cerebellum, this is the pons borelli and this leads to the spinal cord. These are the folds are called the gyri and the grooves are called the sulci, as I said. Okay, now see this picture, this is heart, is it or not? Yes, and it is the internal structure of the heart. The heartbeat is controlled by the what? The heartbeat is controlled by the medulla oblongata. And next, see them, what are these? These are lungs. For what these are helpful? These are for the respiration. The respiration is also controlled by the medulla oblongata. And next, look at him friends. What is he doing? Yes, he is vomiting. Is it or not? Yes. And look at her. What is she doing? Yes, she is coughing. Okay. This all the centers, if any effect on the medulla oblongata, it leads to the vomitings, coughing, sneezing and it shows all the effects. Is it or not? Yes. And next, once look at this brain. The brain weighs approximately 1400 grams. The brain weight is 2% of the body weight. It uses 20% of the oxygen. Okay friends. Look at this brain. This is the human brain. Is it or not? Yes. And this human brain is how much weight? This human brain is 1400 grams. And this brain weight is 2% of a body weight. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. This brain weight is 2% of a body weight. And this brain receives 20% of the oxygen. Is it clear? Yes. This brain receives 20% of the oxygen. Okay. Next, a small assignment for your friends. Name the cranial meninges covering the brain of man. What are the main functions of Diencephalon? And the third question, what are the functions of cerebellum? Draw a neat label diagram of brain. Next, after your intermediate, you will have MCET questions. Is it or not? Yes, for that purpose, these are the important questions. Human brain is considered evolutionarily advanced due to the development of options A. Diencephalon, B. Gyri and Sulci and C. Optic lobes. Okay friends, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is the B, that is Gyri and Sulci. This Gyri and Sulci increase the area of cerebral cortex so that it is the evolutionarily advanced of development. And next, look at this, the second question. The pituitary gland is connected to hypothalamus by A. Cerebral peduncles, B. Infundibulum and C. Midbrain. By which it is connected? Yes, it is connected by the infundibulum. Is it or not? Yes. And next the question, the second largest part of the brain is options A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Thalamus. What is the answer friends? Yes, the answer is the cerebellum. Is it or not? Yes. And next, see here. Okay friends, how many parts the brain is divided? Yes, the brain is divided into 3 parts. They are forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. The forebrain has 3 parts. They are cerebrum, olfactory bulb and diencephalon. And next, This midbrain has two parts. They are crura cerebri and corpora quadrigemina. And again, this hindbrain has three parts. They are cerebellum, pons varelli and medulla oblongata. Okay friends, what is the main function of the cerebrum? Yes, this cerebrum is the main for the what? Main for the identification, thinking, writing and most of the hello?
Hello.
Hello Swaro.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I am Ishwari of 2nd BPC from Nizamabad.
Okay my dear friend, what is your doubt?
Yes. Which controls the voluntary movement?
Oh, it's an excellent question. Okay, I'll give you the response my dear friend. Yes. Okay, she asked which controls the voluntary movement. See, this is the cerebellum. Okay friends, see here. This is the cerebellum. Is it or not? Yes. If any effect on the cerebellum, it leads to the involuntary movement. Is it or not? Yes, I said if any person is drunken, the effect of that shows on the cerebellum, so that he can't be in a stable position. The voluntary movements becomes involuntary. Is it or not? Yes. Okay. And next, cerebrum. Okay. Now we learn about the olfactory bulb. Okay. These are the olfactory bulbs, as I said. Okay. These are the olfactory bulbs. Is it or not? Its main function is to smell. Okay. I said when we are smelling anything, we can smell now. When we smell, hello?
Hello.
Hi Sparrow.
Hello. Hi friend. I am Deepa of 2nd BPC from GB Gudam.
Okay friend, what is your doubt?
Your class is so good.
Thank you.
I want to ask a question to you.
Okay, ask me.
Damage to cerebellum is called as ataxia.
What?
Damage to cerebellum is called ataxia.
Yes.
Can you explain about ataxia?
It is a disease. It is the beyond my text friend. I'll consult my guide teacher and I'll explain you. Thank you friend. Okay. Next, midbrain. Midbrain has two olfactory bulbs. These olfactory bulbs are made for sensing. Is it or not? Yes, its main function is the sensing. And next, this is the diencephalon. This diencephalon, hello?
Hello.
Hi friend.
Hi friend.
Hi Sparrow, what is your name?
Hi friend. I am Rishita of 2nd BPC from Mind Rails.
Okay, what is your doubt friend?
Yeah, my doubt is that how the memory loss occurs and which part in our brain is affected.
What friend? Once again, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, it's how the memory loss occurs and in our brain which part is affected.
I'm not understanding. Can you repeat?
Okay. By the affecting of which part, how the memory loss occurs, memory loss.
Okay friend, it is a beyond my text. Can you ask the question which is in a text? Okay, I'll take my concerned teacher and I'll say you friend. Okay, next see here. Hello.
Hello, sister.
Hi, Sparrow.
We are from PSWS.
What
Alur,
friend?
Karimnagar.
Where are you from?
Karimnagar from Tswreis.
Okay friend, what is your doubt?
Can you explain about limbic system?
What?
Can you explain about limbic
the limbic system is an emotional center. It is a good question friend. The limbic system is its main function is the limbic system main function is emotional center. Okay friend, thank you. Next, the crura, corpora, quadrigemina and the crura cerebri. These are the parts of midbrain. This crura cerebri are the bundles of nerves which connect forebrain to the hindbrain. Is it or not friends? Yes. And next, these are corpora quadrigemina. It has 4 lobes. Its main function is the vision and audition. Next, we learn about the hindbrain. Okay friends, hindbrain has 3 parts. They are cerebellum, pons varelli and Medulla Oblongata. The cerebellum main function balancing equilibrium, and this pons varelli is a relay center for cerebellum and the spinal cord, and next the medulla oblongata is a main center for respiration, circulation, etc. Okay, and okay friends, this is the brain. Once see here, this is the cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain. Is it or not? It is the largest part of the brain and it is one part of the brain. And next, this is the cerebral hemispheres. This is the cerebral hemispheres. This is one part, no, that is why it is known as the cerebral hemispheres. Next, this is the corpus callosum. This corpus callosum helps in the connection between the two cerebral hemispheres. Is it or not, friends? Yes. And next, thalamus. Thalamus is the relay center for pain, temperature, touch, etc. Okay friends, now see here, this is the hypothalamus. This is the hypothalamus. Is it or not? Yes, its main function is the osmoregulation, thermoregulation, thirst, feeding. It maintains the body temperature and water in our body. This all comes under the hypothalamus. Okay friends, see here, this is the pons varelli. Is it or not? Yes. And next, it is the cerebellum. The midbrain, pons varelli and medulla oblongata leads to brainstem. Is it or not? Yes. Okay friends, once we have glance at the real brain. Once see friends, this is the real brain of goat. See friends, this is the real brain of goat. Can you see? Yes. These are the two cerebral hemispheres. These are the two cerebral hemispheres. Okay. This is the cerebellum. This is the cerebellum and this leads to the spinal cord. Okay. It is known as the brain stem. This is known as the brain stem. These are the cerebral hemispheres. These are connected to each other by a corpus callosum. Okay friends, is it right? Yes, this is the real brain of the goat. This is the real. Hello? Hello? Okay. Next.
Hello.
Hello friend.
Hello, good afternoon, Swaro.
Good afternoon.
I am from Rangareddy district from Pargi.
Okay
I
friend.
would like to ask you one question, that is, what is meant by limbic system? Can you explain please?
Yes, limbic system is the emotional center friend. It is an emotional center, means the emotions, what are the emotions we face? The laughing and anger, this all comes under the emotion. It is, this limbic system is mainly known as the emotional center. Okay friends, thank you for calling. Okay. Hello? Okay. This is the real brain. This is the human brain. Is it or not? Yes. Once observe this. This is the forebrain. This is the hindbrain. And this is the midbrain. This is the midbrain. This is the forebrain. This is the hindbrain. And this is the midbrain. Okay, friends. The hypothalamus is attached to the pituitary gland by a infundibulum. Okay, and in the cerebrum we have three parts. Okay, in the cerebrum we have three parts. They are sensory areas, motor areas and associated areas. Is it or not? Yes, these sensory areas. Hello?
Hello.
Hi friend.
Hello. Hi.
What is your doubt?
I am Jeevan from Station Kanpur, Warangal district.
Okay, what is your doubt friend?
Can you say about why some people forgot everything in daily life?
What? Ask once again.
Can you say the people forgot everything? Why those people forgot everything? Because of lack of?
Okay. Yes, I'll explain. Because if they get any damage on the cerebrum, it is the major part of the brain. If any part is damaged, if any nerve is damaged in the cerebrum, it leads to the mind loss. Thank you friend. Okay. This is the forebrain. Hello. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hello friend.
Hello friend, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where are you from?
I am from Pargi, Rangareddy district.
Okay friend, what is your doubt?
I am P. Chandrasekhar.
Okay, what is your doubt my dear friend?
The doubt is, what is the actual weight of the brain?
Yes, 1400 grams.
That is I think that is approximately. We have already studied that is 1350 grams.
I am saying about the text friend. Beyond the text, I did not have learned. The brain in our body, the brain weight is 2% and approximately 1400 grams is the brain weight. Is it clear friend? Thank you friend. Okay. These are the olfactory bulbs. This is the medulla oblongata. This is. Hello.
Hello, Sparrow.
Hi Sparrow, where are you from?
This is Saujanya. I am from Tadkol Hostel.
Okay friend, what is your doubt?
Can you explain once again NSET questions?
Okay friend, I'll explain you compulsory for you. Okay friend, I'll explain you compulsory because you are my customer. The important question after your intermediate are I have given that I am showing friend. See here friend, these are the MSET questions. Human brain is considered evolutionary advanced due to the development of options A. Diencephalon, B. Gyri and Sulci and the C. Optic lobes. Okay friend, the answer is the Gyri and Sulci. Is it clear? Yes. And the next one, the pituitary gland is connected to the hypothalamus by A. Cerebral peduncle, B. Infundibulum and C. Midbrain. The answer is the infundibulum friends. And next, the second largest part of the brain is cerebrum, cerebellum and thalamus. What is the second largest part friends? Yes, the second largest part is the cerebrum. Cleared your doubt friend? Okay. And next, okay, and hello?
Hello.
Hi Sparrow.
Hello.
Hi Sparrow.
Hello, friend.
Hi friend,
Hi,
where are you
my
from?
name is Reena from
Okay, where are you from?
Balambali School in Adilabad district.
Okay, what is your name my dear friend? What is your name friend?
My doubt is, our body temperature is which part is controlled?
Our body temperature. Yes, our body temperature is controlled in the diencephalon. Is it clear friend? Yes, in the thalamus. In the hypothalamus and thalamus. Next. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, where are you from?
Hello, Swaru. Auntie Swapna from Vairakamam district.
Okay friend, what is your doubt?
Friend, may I know what is the color of cerebral cortex and why?
Okay friend, I'll explain you. It is a wonderful question. The cerebral cortex in a grey color because the dendrites are through the cerebrum. The dendrites are to the cerebrum, the cell body is to the cerebrum, so that it is in the grey color. Is it clear, friend? Yes. And next, okay friends, see here, this is the corpus callosum. It connects the forebrain to the, it connects two cerebral hemispheres. This is the epithelium, this is the pineal body, this is the pituitary gland, this is the pons varelli, this is the pons varelli, this is the cerebellum, and this whole part is a cerebrum. Is it or not? Yes. And next, once have glance at a real brain. See, here you can see Gyri and Sulci. Is it or not? Yes. These are the grooves. The folds are called Gyri, and in between the folds the grooves are called the Sulci. Is it or not? Yes. Can you see clearly? Yes. The folds are called Gyri, and in between the folds the grooves are called the Sulci. See here, this is the brain stem. Is it or not? Yes. What is the brain stem? This is the brain stem. This is the cerebellum. It is an balancing equilibrium. Okay, these two are attached to each other by a corpus callosum. Okay friends. First of all, I would like to thank our beloved secretary and my institution for selecting me as a super student, and next I would like to thank my guide teacher and my staff teachers. Thank you for everyone.